A hunter once cast a net over tall grass and was able to capture a flock of quail. He took his catch home and placed the birds in a large cage. The birds moved frantically about the cage, crying and making all kinds of noise. They only seemed to calm when the man threw seeds into the cage. During those moments, they would quietly and greedily peck the seeds up. There was one bird in the cage who refused to eat, and daily was growing thinner and thinner. After about a week, the thin, sickly looking bird was able to squeeze through the bars of the cage and escape to the safety of a nearby branch high in a tree. The other birds cooed loudly and sadly. The free bird sang back, "You ate the food of our oppressor, and so your fate is sealed. I refuse to eat the food of our oppressor and am now free." Doni doni, kono ni benyagada.